Hey guys, my name's CJ, this is Jumpstart Hobbies, and today I'm going to show you the top 12 brush care tips for miniature painting beginners. First we have the don'ts. Don't use high-cost brushes with unsuitable paints. Avoid using expensive natural hair brushes with paints like oils, inks, washes, metallics, or technical paints. These materials can be harsh on brushes and can lead to premature damage. Tip number 2, don't let paint reach the ferrule. Be vigilant about preventing paint from reaching the metal part known as the ferrule. This can cause brushes to splay and shorten the lifespan of your brush. Number 3 is don't jab the tip into surfaces and crevices. Avoid the temptation to jab your brush into the nooks and crannies of your miniatures. It can cause the bristles to bend or split, ruining the tip. 4 is don't let your paint dry on the brushes. Leaving your paint to dry on your brushes can damage the bristles and make them less pliable. Always clean the brushes promptly after each use. 5 is don't jab your brush into the bottom of your water cup. Rough treatment in the water cup can fray the bristles and damage the brush. Handle your brushes gently when rinsing them. Simply swish them around in the top of the water and wipe clean on a cloth. Repeat as necessary. 6 is don't leave your brushes in the water cup. This will quickly cause a hook at the end of your bristles and ruin the pointed tip. Now for the do's. 7. When obtaining and applying paint, use only the end of the brush. This prevents paint from accumulating near the ferrule. 8. Create a pointed tip before painting. Before applying fresh paint to your model, pull and twist the brush across the palette. This action helps create a pointed tip for a more precise application. 9 is remove excess moisture before painting. To prevent excess water from diluting paint, release some moisture from the saturated brush by dragging it across your hand or a cloth. 10 is slide the brush across the model. Instead of jabbing the bristles at the model, pull, drag, or slide your brush across the model's surface. This technique ensures a more controlled and gentle application. 11 is rinse your brush regularly. Even if you're not switching colors, rinse your brush every so often to remove excess paint and maintain its integrity. Number 12 is clean your brush with brush soap after each session. This keeps them in top condition and ready for your next masterpiece. Bonus tip number 13, subscribe to the channel. If you want to keep seeing helpful videos like this, make sure to subscribe so my channel can grow. Check out mykit.co in the description below to see all the gear I use or talk about. Like, comment, subscribe, click this video, and until next time, we'll see y'all later.